Make a great choice today with the 2024 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.